Crude oil traded bearish for the day yesterday. We have seen it hitting the lows at 77, but it has recovered sharp and now trading back to 78.5. While it is natural gas, which is the beauty here, I have been telling you that you can stay bullish for natural gas. What it did, it has moved now towards 3.95 levels here, and now it is erased the gains and has come back towards 3.85. What to expect now today from oil and gas? Where to enter, where to exit, how to. We're going to find out with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into US crude, followed with net gas. Now, see what did we discuss yesterday for crude oil, that it is trading in this channel here, and what it did, it has moved towards the bottom of the channel and has bounced back. I have mentioned one more thing. It is very important for oil to break below 76.4, 76.5 zone, below which it should be turning bearish. What has happened here? Hitting the zone, it is now bouncing back, and now it is very important for oil to break this zone here at 79.4. If these two levels are taken, my long awaited target of 80 is going to be there here. Now see, the moving averages are starting to diverge again. These are straight bullish candles, but I can see greater resistance to be seen here at 79, 79.2. So let's watch out how it behaves there. First of all, it moves there or not, and second, how it behaves at 79, 79.2, because beyond this, we are looking forward to a good rise again. The stochastic here is overbought. MACD delivering a wave again, crossing over here. It's a good sign here for the bulls. RSI rising, coming to 2 hour. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation. See what a good support it has created here. Earlier, this was the resistance here at 77.8, 78. Now this has become a greater support. With that a support, it is trying to bounce back, but I will be definitely careful till towards 79, 79.2, and then towards 79.5, 79.6. Beyond this, my near-term targets, which are at above 80, are going to be there. See, it is forming a nice bullish flag here. The highs of this flag are towards 80.5. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD has seen bearishness. It is trying to converge. Let's wait for it to cross over. RSI rising, coming to the 3. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. Yes, taking the support. It is trying to bounce back, trying to rise here. So possibly we can see a move beyond 80. Just let it stay beyond 79 and 79.6 levels. The stochastic rising. The MACD is bearish here. The RSI is rising as well. On the 4-hour charts, and after the reversal sign, it is trying to bounce back. There is a strong possibility that it can keep moving towards 79 here, and then in fact once it stays above 79.6, we are looking forward to a move towards 80.2, 80.5 levels. Stochastic rising. The MACD right now after the crossover is trading bearish, though it has not much of a scope on the downside, but I can see a bit of hesitation here. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to the daily chart. Now see, on the daily chart, so an important observation here is, see what it has done. Lower highs were done, higher lows were done. Support level, see it has failed to break below the support zone. That is the most important thing, 77, 76.4. As I have mentioned, this is going to remain the prime support zone, and below which you can expect a greater correction. What happened? Hitting the lows here, it has bounced back. But I can also see the candle is staying in red, which is not a good sign for the bulls. Why it is not a good sign? First, it is trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period, which is right now sitting at 74. Second is, it is trading in this bullish channel, and the bottom of this channel, if it starts to retrace, is now for the day towards 76. So now today it is closed in red, and now if you see it is staying below 78, you can again expect a slight dip towards 77.4, 77 levels, and then 76.4, 76 levels. There is a possibility to it, while on the upside only bullishness is above 79, 79.2, because beyond this it will be breaking past the highs, and then we are looking forward to a greater green candle. See, it is trading bullish and it can continue to do so, because see, it has stayed in a consolidation zone. I have shared several times, I have been sharing since here, that it is a squeeze, and a breakout here is going to bring massive rally. Do watch my annual review for crude oil and net gas both. You can find out the reason for why we were looking forward to a good rally. Now see, already oil has hit almost a 6 months high, and now I am looking forward for it to break past this high as well very soon. Now see, the stochastic here is overbought, while the MACD is divergent and bullish, and RSI overbought. So things are getting slightly overbought, and that is why today's candle is going to be. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 78.8 levels. When you see the lower price above 78.8, expect it to move towards 79.1, 79.2 at the first resistance zone and 79.4, 79.6 at the second. If these two levels are taken, once oil moves beyond 79.6, just stay bullish. We are looking forward to 80.2, 80.5 levels at the next, and staying beyond 80.5, 81.5, 82.5 are the two levels which it has to breach in order to consistently move towards 85. Possibility is there that sooner or later these levels are anyways going to be there, but right now I can see it trading in this channel, so I'll be definitely watching. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 78.2 levels. Expect 77.8, 77.4, and 77. Now till here it has got stronger supports. Below 77 is where you can expect the bearishness to be there, where you can expect 76.5 and 76 levels. Only reversal confirmation in crude oil today is if it trades below 76. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural. Now see what natural gas did yesterday. I've mentioned very clearly that once it breaks out beyond 3.8 zone, we are looking forward to 3.9, 3.95 levels. What it has done, it has hit the highs here at 3.95 now, trying to erase some of the gains. Where are the lows of this channel? The more time it is spent, 3.8, which was the resistance, is now going to be the support here, and below that 3.7475. So as long as these levels are respected, we should not be treating net gas as bearish. It is just delivering the bearish wave here. And remember again, if you see it is staying above 3.9, we are looking forward to $3.954 levels. Stock IST has come to an oversold zone after series of bearish candles. The MACD is on the crossover, and this is just one candle away, which means there is a potential for further drop. But if you look at the move here, see natural gas though has lot much of upside available, though it is right now on the sell here. RSI has dropped here, it has come out of the overbought zone. Look at the two on the 2 hour chart, similar observations, diminishing bearishness here. I'll definitely watch out how it behaves at 3.8 to 3.8 to 3.8 zone, which should be a very, and below that you can expect more bearishness to prevail here. Stock stick dropping here. The MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for sell. The RSI has dropped as well. On the 3 hour charts, and similar is the observation here, lower highs, and it's potentially starting with a drop here. So once it stays below 3.82 levels, you can take a sell. Expect 3.8, 3.78 as a very good support, 3.74, and then 3.7 levels. See, there is a possibility that it can try to erase some of the gains from this candle. What has happened, see this move and this, then the rise and the retracement. So yes, it after every rise it follows with a little retracement. The support levels towards 3.7475 is going to be very strong today. Stock is looking down, which is slight bearish sign. The MACD is trading with a gradual slope. It is still lot much of bullishness left here. It is not that it has turned bearish here. RSI is also come out of the overbought zone, now looking downwards. On the 4 hour, similar observation here on the 4 hour charts. Lower highs are seen, and the current one is starting with a slight bearish note, but I can see the support levels coming in. Now, once it stays above 3.88, 3.9 zone, stay bullish for 3.95 and $4 levels here. There is a strong possibility to it as well. Remember what it has done, every rise is offset with a retracement. This rise can also offset with a retracement, but I'll be still looking forward to bullishness here. The stock here is looking down. The MACD is still in green. The RSI has dropped here. Coming to the daily charts, the most important one. Look what has happened here. See, every rise offset with a retracement. It has come down to take the support from the 20 period and now bouncing back. This is what we had discussed yesterday, that it has taken the support. It can bounce back. It can recover, and breaking beyond 3.8. See what it has done. It has seen the highs. Now remember, 3 red candles, couple of green candles, which means that there is a possibility of a third green candle here, which suggests that it can possibly stay above $4 levels here. But $4 levels is a very critical milestone for net gas. Though the near-term targets are well beyond 4, and right now it is trying to struggle here at 4. So let's see if it gives you a breakout here. Stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI rising. So looking at the buying levels today are going to be towards 3.8788 levels. Expect 3.9, 3.95, and then $4 levels here. Beyond 4, stay bullish. This time we are looking forward to 4.2, 4.4 levels very well. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3.82 levels where you can sell and expect it to move towards 3.78, 3.8 as the first target zone, 3.7475 as the second, and 3.7 as the third. Only bearishness today is if you see it is staying below 3.7, where you can expect that it is turned or bearish, or it can show you a drop here. So now this zone between 3.8 and 3.7 is very critical for next. Below 3.7, just stay short for 3.64 and then 3.54 levels. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel membership chair on YouTube to support the effort. Remember, natural gas is still bullish, and do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. That will give you a further idea on how to profit with the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.